In this video, I'm going to show you how to link a device on WhatsApp Business. So this can be really useful if you want to link multiple phones or a laptop to your WhatsApp Business account. Now, it's really easy to do. We just need to load up WhatsApp Business on your phone, and then you need to click on Settings in the bottom right-hand side. Now go and select Link Devices, and then you can press the Link Device button. Now you may get a notification pop up. Just make sure to click on Allow, and then we need to scan the QR code of the device that we want to link the WhatsApp Business to. So I've just got my computer here, which is what I'm going to be linking my second account to. And I'm just going to open up an internet browser and head over to web.whatsapp.com. Now from this page, you'll see a QR code, and you can simply go and scan this on your phone to link your computer to your WhatsApp Business. Now once it's been linked, it's automatically going to sign you into WhatsApp on your computer or your second device, and you can now begin using WhatsApp Business simultaneously on both devices.